Do you need the flexibility to work from home but access to your office computer? Want to connect to a client or family member's computer using a browser? How about access to your home or office data when traveling abroad? Or would you like to collaborate with team members by sharing a screen? Now it's possible to satisfy all of these needs by integrating Pilixo into your existing tools, personal or corporate websites. You can even connect from your mobile devices. First, sign up for an account at www.pilixo.com. Next, edit your website and import the Pilixo library. Authenticate to our platform with your credentials. It's only 3 lines of code. Set up some controls to download and install remote access to your computers. Next, display all of your machines in your website. There is plenty of information you can show about the device, from network status to hardware on it. Lastly, add a link to start a connection to the device in 1 line of code. You'll be able to connect to any of your Mac or Windows devices just from your browser. Easy, fast, and flexible for all of your needs. Pilixo Remote Access.